playfulness and camaraderie all around at this robotics event. But if you strip just a few layers of what looks normal, you'll find remnants of one of the biggest health crises in recent history, the COVID-19 pandemic.
We now have this experience that was incredibly difficult for everyone, and now we're living with the after effects and the consequences.
The consequences are something Winnie Nathan is trying to leave behind, but the years of stringent health measures and precautions have left a mark on her.
During that time, it was very stressful, and I think I'm more scared of getting sick and spreading illness now. It's something that I'm much more concerned with now than before. And it's left a lot of uncertainty.
Not being able to be around friends was tough for Jamal Coleman.
I was able to talk to my friends a lot online, but then I realized that whenever I wasn't talking to them, I felt really alone.
While he's doing better, he says it's not all over. He's still struggling with negative feelings. Jamal is not alone.
Where not only did I get a large number of requests for services, but the requests I were getting were of high need.
The pandemic was associated with a rise in hospitalizations for mental health issues such as anxiety, self-harm, and eating disorders across Canada. That's according to a study conducted by Montreal researchers as a part of a larger project called Popcorn that looked into direct and indirect impacts of the pandemic. Researchers concluded that in future pandemics, policymakers should support young people who are especially vulnerable during health restrictions. Stevenson said that parents can also play a role in helping their teens, especially in a world that seems more divided than ever.
So what we need to do maybe is help teenagers understand, how do you talk to someone who has different opinions than you have, right? How do you get to know new people that maybe have similar interests to you? How do you get out and be in the world?
A world that has changed after the pandemic and pushed many like Jamal online. But Jamal says his biggest lesson from that time is to get out there.
To cherish the times you spend with the people you care about in person.
Because that's what fills your heart.
Yeah.
The future, he says, is exciting and bright.